What I wish I knew when I got caught in a blizzard with almost nothing. First things first, stay in your car. It's your best shelter. Keep the exhaust pipe clear of snow to prevent carbon monoxide poisoning. Next, layer up. Use whatever you have to add insulation blankets, clothes, even newspapers. Run the engine for 10 minutes every hour to stay warm, but conserve fuel. Crack a window slightly to avoid buildup of harmful fumes. Stay visible. Tie a bright cloth to your antenna and keep your interior light on when the engine is running. Finally, ration your food and water. Small sips, small bites. Keep calm, help will come. You've got this.